Welcome back to One Life Cars, guys. If you're new around here, my name's Sam and I teach you how to fix your car. In today's video, you join me in the Peugeot 307 for another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you guys how to access and change the interior light bulbs. Now, it might seem very simple to some people, but to some, if you don't know, you don't know. So, dead simple, quick and easy one today. I'm going to show you how to clip this open, get to your interior light bulbs, and also, again, on the back one there, to be honest, it's pretty much both the same. So once I show you one, I'm sure you'll be fine with the next one. Right, so the first thing you're going to need is a flat screwdriver, or you can do it with your key. Don't recommend you prizing things with your key because you could risk snapping the key and that'll be a bad day out. But yeah, do what you need to do. If you don't have a screwdriver, you know, make it work. But a small flat screwdriver is ideal. And we're simply... yeah, so you've got this small index all the way around it. There's also little indents there as well. Now, on a lot of interior lights, you pop the whole light out. On this, you just pop the cover off. You can pull the whole light out, but you don't need to, because it's just for a bulb change. So if you mess about with it a bit on the different indents, as that's what always happens. So if you've got two hands, you can catch it. And that reveals 3 bulbs. Now, to get these bulbs out, you simply stick your hand in and just wiggle very gently. Don't do it too hard because you could break the holder. Just very gently wiggle them out like so. And it's these sort of bulbs. I'll get a bit of a close up for that so you know what bulb you need. I'll put in the link in the description the actual type of bulb it is rather than trying to read a piece of glass. Now, the more fiddly bit is putting the new one in. So say this is your new bulb, you're going to get it and you just got to find where it lines up. So there the element bit goes horizontal and clips back in. And it's the same for these two, a bit more fiddly to get your fingers in. You could use, but be gentle if you do this, a pair of pliers with some, like a towel wrapped around them so you don't just smash the glass and very gently wiggle them out. Or find someone with small hands. Once you've done that and you put your new bulbs in, you're happy they work. Like, for example, both sides are out on these, but I've not got any new bulbs to hand right now. I'm just showing you guys what to do. You can get your plastic and it simply just clips back on. Like so. Make sure you push all the way around. Still works. And as for this one, it's exactly the same, except it's only got one big bulb in it, I think, which is also gone by the looks of it. Screwdriver in there, pop off the lens, change your bulb, pop the lens back on, it just clips like that. And that's about it, guys, really, for the interior light bulbs in the Peugeot 307. A dead simple one. You know, why pay alpha to someone to do it, or even your local garage? You know, get your bulbs. I will put the bulb type in the description if you're watching this and need to know what bulb it is. And yeah, do it yourself. It's a 2-minute job. It's dead easy, you know, rather than spending more and more money. Anyway, guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, as usual, please give it a like, hit the subscribe button. Any support helps and is appreciated. Other than that, until next time, peace.